In the streets of my Victorian town, where cobblestones lay and houses frown, I'm just a lad with naught to my name. Workhouse walls, they're tall and grim, with sorrowful faces and chances slim. From dawn till dusk we toil away, away from family, day by day. Oh, the life of a chimney sweep, where gruel's the meal we seldom sleep. But in our hearts a hope does toy for brighter days. Oh, Victorian boy, with soot-stained hands and aching bones, we climb the chimneys, hear the groans. Through smoky haze our tears do blend, in search of pennies for us to spend. The master's whip, it cracks the air, but still we climb without despair. For in these streets we find our voice, amidst the struggle we still rejoice. Oh, the life of a chimney sweep, where gruel's the meal we seldom sleep. But in our hearts a hope does toil